Bring your leg up. Leg up. Backstroke. Let's go! I want to see your vampire. Right now. Kick. Yeah. Kick.
Oh, do my belly right, do my brain. Big arm, big arm.
Reach, kick. Reach, kick on your back. The first two questions. Tall arm with the shoulder. Look.
Backstroke.
Bring it around and bring it back here. See that?
In one arm.
Bring it up again. Bring it back. Got it? Let's go! Connor, come back to me. Kick the shoulders come up, right side down, right? Kick the shoulder come up.
Backstroke.
Got it? Go! Hold your toes. Go!
Stroke
No, when
arms.
you do breaststroke, always stand on your chest like this and push out. When you want to be pushed out, bring it in, can be open. Look, this versus go faster, right? Do it. 3 kicks. Make sure you guys, when you guys do your arms, don't go all the way around. I want you to cut it short and bring it close to your chest, okay? Get a little to your chest. Okay? Don't go all the way down. Alright guys, so this slows you down. Don't do it like this. It takes longer than just not that long. Keep it good. 1, 2, 3, marks. Set. Go. Yeah, as fast as you can. You're not starting until he gets back. Yep. Connor, go ahead. I'll untighten them in a minute. So you knock open shut, watch it. Knock the door, shut. Shut. When you breathe, it should be when you shut the door. See that? When you close your legs, you're pushing yourself up. Look. See? When you breathe, you should be like this. Don't do that because it's sick. So don't cut it. Okay? So, here you go. Hold it closed. When you close your legs, hold it, and then go back down, okay? Alright. You gotta bring your knees in. Bring your legs towards you. Nice. Alright, you ready? On your marks. You got 5 seconds. On your marks. Set. Go. Open. 3. Open your legs, close. Bring it to you, always open, close. If you want. Back. Great. So, today, normal 2-arm freestyle, down back, nice and easy, work on the floor. Same order that we finish it, because you got the most energy. Let's go. Do breaststroke on the way down. Don't forget, breaststroke arms. Points down, do breaststroke arms. Go! Last one, go! Breaststroke arms down, go! Eight down, 8 down. Breaststroke down.